Because you're going to catch them back in about a minute. It's okay. She'll figure it out.
You guys are calm down. I'm trying to encourage her to step up.
Oh, there we go. It's okay. Yeah.
Oh, now she thinks she's playing. That's right. Yeah, I'm going by my mom.
A bit more. Yeah. Okay, Millie. Yeah. Good. Oh. That's okay. Good.
She really
She's like, I'm trying to play with you.
Because Dutch was really bad at counting. So now we don't let her know. It was cute. And then
You actually moved away from your mom. That's really good.
Millie.
Okay. Give her a chance, Munchkin. What a lucky girl. Good girl. Take it right there. Well, you could have put a little bit in the plate, but yeah, I think you're kind of stuck now. Yeah. Oh, good. Take it.
Good girl.
Excellent. Good. Nice job. Oh, that's so yummy. Somebody's such a lucky puppy. Leave it. Just put your hand there.
Leave it. Leave it.
Yeah, just say it once and just pause and wait for her to give up. And it would be nice if she gave up and like sat or gave up and looked at you. Good, take it. Take it. Perfect.
Take it.
Drop it.
Drop it. Drop.
Yeah.
Drop it.
Good. When all else fails, exchange at equal value. Because she wasn't exchanging for higher value because the broccoli had way more value because it was novel. And she likes novelty. Try saying drop it when she doesn't see it.
Drop it.
Yep, she dropped it.
Take it.
Good girl.
She's like, well, I really don't want the broccoli anymore. I kind of like the carrots.
Drop it.
You have the other piece of carrot? Good. Drop it.
Drop it.
Yay! Good girl.
Drop it.
Yay! Yum, yum. Let her enjoy that one.
Drop it.
Oh, take it. And let her have that for a while.
Take it.
And
Take
like,
it.
I'm not sure if I want to take it yet.
Take it.
But I think it's a trick.
Take it. Take it.
Or you can just put it down on the ground
Take it.
and ask her to drop it. Even though it's not really a drop. But
Drop
drop it.
Drop it. Drop it.
Good girl. There you go. So you got the idea. Here, you try.
Millie, take it.
And she can take it any way she
Okay.
wants. It's just
Right.
drop it is just leaving her
Drop
alone. She's like, but that's the same thing as this.
Drop it. Drop it.
She didn't see the drop at all.
Millie, drop it.
Oh, good girl. It was a process, right? So get her playing again. Even though they might not drop really high food items because they're really hungry.
Yeah.
Drop it. Drop it.
Yay, good girl. They will drop a rope bone. So it always starts somewhere. But getting a dog to actually drop a hot dog is a pretty impossible task. But you guys were almost there, so that actually makes something like dropping that easier.
Drop it.
Yay! Good girl. Now she's distracted into Millie.
Take it.
Drop it.
Drop it. Drop it. Let it go, but.
And their Dutch is kind of like, you're a lot bigger than me, so I kind of like the fact that there's a fence, but they're still kind of exchanging play signals here, which is kind of nice for them. Oddest session of puppy play ever.
Yeah, because I'm glad, like, I know she's still swimming, but she's still not running away from the system.
No, she's staying there and she's running
I
back.
know, she's engaging her a bit, like, she puts her bum up. So,
She's like, how do I get to this girly?
oh. Because normally she just runs around.
Yeah.
Like this.
Okay, so now on that note, hey, Dutch, where is she? Do you know? Where's Millie? There's Millie. Where's your half sister? Do you want to come in here? Oh, good girls. Yeah, so then that is normal play. Yeah, she just told her off, but that's what she needed to do. Oh, Millie. Right into the mud puddle.
She's like, how do I get her?
Millie, take it easy. That's nice. Just remember, she's tiny. You're not tiny.
She might be bigger than you one day, but probably not.
I'm gonna bring Zeke here to beat you up, Millie.
Is Zeke bigger?
I think Millie actually might be bigger than Zeke, so it could be one of those emasculating things. He'd probably just like, oh my God, you're from the Zeppelin litter, aren't you? Put her in obstacles. All right, they're just like, because we do. Oh, but Dutch just came back after her again.
Are you ready to go? Yeah?
She's like, yep. We're exchanging. I'm trying to drink water, Millie.